In today's session, we will quickly calculate the square root of a number. First, we talk about squaring a number. Number 1 squared equals 1. The number 2 squared equals 4. The number 3 squared equals 9. The number 4 squared equals 16. The number 5 squared equals 25. The number 6 squared equals 36. The number 7 squared equals 49. The number 8 squared equals 64. The number 9 squared equals 81. Through the square of a number, we find the second root. For example, for the square root of 169, we divide the number 169 into two groups. The first group is the number 69, the second group is the number 1. Considering the number 1, we see that the number 1 coincides with the squared number 1, so the first number is number 1. Considering the number 69, we see that there are two numbers whose last digit is 9. That is, the number 3 squared is 9 and the number 7 squared is 49. So should we choose number 3 or number 7? To solve this problem, we have the first number as number 1, we multiply number 1 with the next number, that is, we multiply number 1 by number 2, and the result is 2, we see number 2 is greater than number 1. Note, number 1 is in number 169. So we take the smaller number, that is, we take the number 3. So the square root of 169 is the number 13. Next example, square root of 1296. We divide the number 1296 into two groups. The first group is the number 96, the second group is the number 12. Considering the number 12, we see that the number 12 is between the numbers 9 and the number 16, and we choose the smaller number. So we take the number 3 because 3 squared equals 9. Considering the number 96, we see that there are two numbers whose last digit is 6. It is the number 4 because 4 squared is 16 and the number 6 because 6 squared is 36. So should we choose number 4 or number 6? To solve this problem, we have the first number 3, we multiply the number 3 by the next number, that is, we multiply the number 3 by the number 4, and the result is 12. We see the number 12 is equal to the number 12. Note, the number 12 is in the number 1296. So we take the larger number, that is, we take the number 6. So the square root of 1269 is the number 36. Similarly, try doing it with examples like a square root of 676, a square root of 1225. See you at the next sessions.